with you right over here. Can you tell me what's your name and who you came to support?
Oh, yeah, I was looking for that.
My name is Emma, and I came for Emma.
Oh, okay. What's your name and who did you come to support?
My name is Joey, and I came for Chloe and Maddie.
Aww. Okay. Your name?
My name is Justin. I came to support my friend Isa.
Nice. Issa in the house. Woo! What's your name? I'm just kidding.
I'm Alan. I came here to support my friends, Maddie, Julie, Chloe, whoever, all my friends. Let's go.
Hi, what's your name and who did you come to support?
My name is Ezekiel and I came here to support Jacqueline.
Aww. Hi, what's your name and who did you come here to support?
Hi, my name's Ella. I came here to support Aubrey.
Aww. Hi, what's your name and who did you come here to support?
Lily, and I came to support Emma.
Okay, do some warm-up stretches. Do some warm-up stretches. So the co-captains and captains invited you onto stage tonight because they're gonna teach you an otea. Oh, you're gonna dance! Okay. You guys ready? Okay, dancers ready? Ori. Outstanding dancers. I think we have some new auditionees next semester. Great job. Thank you for coming. Exit the stage.